jungle boogie. I saw your mama this morning.
People do strange things to you when you're alone at night. Don't fret. You're one of the many. Excited. You show up just recently in the context of the next decade. We are a part of an underworld movement to destroy ourselves. But we're taking our time. Because it's not that hard. But we have to do everything a really fucking difficult way. Or else we're losing stress. You'll be back in, Mike. Yeah. I would like to thank Steve Controller for playing on this song. He's a good friend of mine for a long, long time. He's got numbers on his cigarette-smoking bastard from Farmingdale, smoking up the atmosphere. I'm singing all right. I'd appreciate some input into Thank you very much. I get home and I know where I want to go out to.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
We are going to Neverland.
Alice was becoming very sleepy listening to her sister read.
A group of men bowling with wooden balls that rumbled and crashed together.
These tales of fantasy and warmth are retold especially for you from Fisher Price. Fisher Price. From Fisher Price. From Fisher Price. Fisher Price.
You can read along with me in your book. You will know it is time to turn the page when you hear the chimes ring like this.
And a few days later, an English merchant ship picked me up and took me back to my home. And there, after a happy reunion with my family, I stayed.
present
The sound man playing chopsticks.
What a wonderful life I have.
Savory chicken. Savory chicken. Savory chicken.
One man picked up a rope and said,
This rope looks as if it had been cut.
Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Let's begin now.